Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix can burn effect issue for Elementor slide widget in WordPress. Now you see when we enable option, then image is expanded and exceeds the container. Now go to Elementor widget. So we are using slide widget, and when we enable can burn effect option, now you see yes, and we select zoom direction in or out, then image expand its container and it can lead to layout issue. So we are going to fix it. So when we enable this option, we are facing issue. So now go to container section. So this is our main container. So click on it and then you see layout style option, and then scroll down, you see additional option in layout. So we are in layout and we enable additional option. Now you see overflow. Now select hidden. So we select main container setting, additional option, overflow hidden, and then click on publish. Now publish done. So this option will prevent the image from expanded and not exceed its container. Now go to website page and refresh the page, and now you see image is not expanding when we select overflow hidden in container section. So we use can burn effect option, so image cannot exceed to its container, not overlap. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.